Welcome back, everybody, to day number 13. We got some exciting things planned for today, and I'm headed back to work, so get ready and more right after the intro. That's a hard worker right there. She can hardly walk. She's so hard of a worker.
My feet hurt.
Alright guys, I'm getting down the road. I think the first thing I need to do this morning is go get the oil change in the van. I gotta go to work, Lily. I gotta go to work. Alright guys, I just pulled up to Precision Auto. I like this guy. He's a real nice guy. He's a local business owner here in Florence, so that's what I use to change my oil. So I'm going to take him my keys and let him get the oil change.
What are you watching there, man?
Making a little video.
Making a video.
There you go. Perfect.
Alrighty. Oh,
Thank
that's
you, ma'am.
yours.
Oh, I get to keep
Yep,
this
that's
one?
all yours.
All right.
Thank
And
you,
they put a
thank
little
you.
sticker in my window?
They should have, yep.
All
I
right.
see it from here.
Perfect. All right, you guys, I just pulled up to the print shop. We got the van right behind me. There's a couple more decals my boss wanted to get put on over here on the side door. I think he wants to get the phone number put on there. So we'll get that taken care of and see what else we can do for the rest of the day. So let's get to putting those stickers on. They're live with Curtis Boyd here at the print shop.
Woo, baby.
Putting on stickers. I'm headed to the Darlington gym to go pick up an ambulance that Curtis has. We are going to go take that to the diesel mechanic and he is going to fix it. So I got Peyton with me. She's on the right and she's going to be driving my van while I drive the ambulance over there so he can look at it. So let's move on down the road. Alright guys, I just got done dropping off the ambulance with the mechanic, so he will be fixing that for whatever problem it's got going on, and the bug was done, so we picked up the bug. Now we're going to go drop that off and Peyton's going to go on her way and I'm going to go on my way. Alright guys, I just wrapped up with this room. It's about 4 o'clock. I didn't get out of this room. I would have liked to, but I just had a lot of stuff that I needed tightened up in here, so I did this assembly line. This assembly line right there, all the way around the room and all the way to the back. I did add pins on this left-hand side to the 2.5 stacks, which I'm going to show you here. All right, this is the 5-inch pan that we use on the 2.5 pound weight stacks. It's an additional pin, so I ordered a whole bunch of them. I'm going to put those in the assembly line behind me, and if I see any others while I'm going around checking equipment, then I'll add them too. And then I also found a bunch of loose screws on the rowers up at the front, and I got them all tightened up. Elliptical's working great. Everything else is working great. So I'm going to hit a couple other things in the next room, and then I'm going to head back to Florence for the rest of my day. I have been invited to go see the Clemson-Carolina National Championship game, so I'm going to be going over there with the missus tonight, and we will be enjoying that. All right, guys, we're headed to a friend's house to go watch the Clemson National Championship game. It should be pretty exciting. I don't know if we're going to stay for the whole game, but we're going to stay for a little bit, eat the food, celebrate, and hopefully Clemson wins. So let's get over there and have a good time.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, you guys, we had a fun night tonight. I hope you enjoyed the Clemson game. I'll post the results after this. Please like, follow, subscribe to the video, and till tomorrow. Peace out.